What up? What up? Good morning. How we doing? Good morning. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Hopefully everybody's doing good. I know I'm doing good this morning. AUD NZD setting that new high. I have a sell order in. Hopefully it can get hit. But yeah, with the AUD NZD, unfortunately I sold some last night and I kind of wish I didn't now. The CPI numbers came out for Australia and the currency pair got smoked. So I was like, all right, maybe it wasn't so good. I should just take off some of my position and put a stop loss at break even. And then it just ripped up. So took a little bit, or I'm about to take off a little bit more if it hits my sell order, and then we should be good. Yeah, this market's crazy, let me tell you. Absolutely insane. Anyways, let's see. Sorry, Sturgill. I am live now, don't you worry. So anyways, real quick, I do want to apologize. This week the watch list has not been as accurate, so I greatly apologize for that. It's been really hard to understand direction, and I'm gonna continue to sit here and try to find the best setups for you guys. But at the end of the day, if there's nothing to trade, there's nothing to trade. And what app am I using right here? This Thinkorswim. But yeah, it's been a tough week. Again, I apologize, but we will find what we can watch. Hopefully, we get some nice setups today. Today's FOMC. Hopefully, you guys watched yesterday's video on my FOMC trading strategy, because that is a banger. It has worked excellent the last few times for FOMC. And yeah, so if you guys have not seen it, make sure to go on over to my channel, watch this video right here. Can't believe it's already at 20, or not 20K, 2K views. It says 1.8K, but it's actually at 2K. But yeah, let's see what we can find today. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button and make sure you're subscribed if not. And yeah, let's do this. So bring this bad boy over here. I will say the PFE printed yesterday. So yesterday I ended up taking PFE in the morning. I put in a pretty big order for these contracts. I put 100 contracts in for a market order, and I should have made more money, but they literally took forever to fill the entire order. It was a pain, but really big order on that. Gave some money back on AMD, took a QQQ put later in the day. Really not much profit there. But yeah, AMD gave back like $307 on the small account too. The small account's been taking some hits this month. I swear, some of the trades I'd be taking on the small account, they're getting smacked. But we ready to run it up today. So let's see what we can find. 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minute. Good, as long as you're learning. That is my goal. At the end of the day, I want to teach you guys. That's why I started YouTube to begin with. I didn't start YouTube, for money, because I went a whole year without ever being paid a dime from YouTube. I started it because I wanted to teach you guys. The whole reason why I started YouTube to begin with was because when I was learning, there was like no one you could learn from on YouTube. It was just people trying to sell you courses. And literally the only thing you could find on YouTube was MACD and RSI. That was like the best thing you could find. So that's why I started YouTube. As long as you guys are learning, I am very, very happy. Anyways, I'm gonna have to turn the air on because it is getting super hot in here. So give me 1 second. There we go. Alrighty. Good morning. So let's see what we can get. Does anybody know if PFE actually reported earnings? Because I want to swing it, and I don't know if they actually report or not. Hey, just joined Team Bull. Nice, nice. All right. So let's see. Let's go through the weekly watch list. Let's start with AMAT. Good morning. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 125 people in here. Only 40 likes. What is that? Only 25% of you have clicked that like button. I cannot believe it. AMAT, don't care about. AMD. AMD here. Looks pretty Interesting. Yeah, I lost some money on AMD yesterday, but that does not mean we cannot trade it today. Be pretty interesting, actually. See what happens if we can get above that pre-market high, because that's exactly where the trend line's at, 87.19. So AMD, yes, keep running up them lights. So AMD, I like that. Amazon, they report tomorrow. This squeeze actually looks like it wants to fire down. Close below all the daily moving averages. Pre-market low is right there. Yeah, this squeeze could fire down. Amazon, keep our eye on that one. Coin, we'll get to Tesla, don't worry. Let's see, coin, don't care about. GME, honestly forgot to look for the swing on GME. I probably missed it. Actually, no, I don't even care about that. Good. All right, so forget about GME. JP Morgan. How'd everybody else do yesterday, though? Make money, lose money, take no trades. Looks like JP Morgan's trying to do an inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder. All right, hold on. Shoulder, head, maybe another shoulder. Get on the 4 hour. Yes, we can. So we got two shoulders here. We got the head. So more than likely, we're going to get two shoulders on the right, and then we'll see the breakout. So keep your eye on JP Morgan for that. Let's go on over to Microsoft. After the crazy earnings that they had yesterday, literally tanked after hours, and then they came out and said, yeah, 2023, we're expecting double sales. So kind of looks like it's flagging right here. So we can watch that for a possible breakout. Let's see, Microsoft, NEE, still looking for the swing. NVIDIA. That NVIDIA I'm really not too interested in. Yeah, I don't really care about that. Maybe if it cracked below here, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll come back to NVIDIA. Pepsi, very, very interested for a swing. This is probably my favorite swing trading setup right now. So I'm going to see if we can snag that today. PFE, like I said, looking for a swing there. It all depends if they like actually have earnings or not. I don't know if they do. RTX, we've had some previous support down here at 88. Don't care about it. And then eBay. Came up to that trend line. Actually, it's holding that trend line. Maybe get a swing. All right. Only 3 things I like so far. Now let's go to the watch list, see what we can get. Apple. We also have a QQQ squeeze currently. Do we have a SPY squeeze? Yes, we do. All right, so let's look at Apple. Maybe if Apple can get back up above 153.45, we still have the stacked EMAs. So I want to see. Yeah, but the thing is with PFE, look at how cheap the contracts are. I don't think they actually report, and then on Thinkorswim, it's saying that they already reported. That's why I'm super confused. Confused. Can't even talk. That's how confused I am. I can't even talk. Boeing reported this morning, huh? Alright, Boeing. I don't really care about you. At all. So, we'll skip Boeing. Going over to Baba. I'm not really interested in the oil names, to be honest with you. Baba, Coin, Costco, 1 hour squeeze. Don't care about. Me. We'll look at Meta. They report today, so never mind. We looked at Microsoft. Let's see what Netflix is up to. 4 hour squeeze. Says it wants to try to fire up. Just an alert at the line. Above, bingo. Daily, we're getting this slight pullback. Thought we were getting a little cup and handle. Yeah, if I'd be interested if Netflix broke above that trend line. So I'll just keep an alert for now. We looked at Nvidia. Let's see with PayPal. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 160 people up in here. Only 69 likes. Make sure you guys are running up that like button. Let's see, PayPal holding the moving averages, 4-hour squeeze, 83.33. Let's see. There's liquidity. Bring this over here. Bingo. All right. Yeah, the 85 calls have liquidity. So, see what happens with PayPal. QQQ. Now we got that 30-minute squeeze. It is okay. Misprint is that? Hold on, let me make sure we don't have. What is today? Today's Wednesday. What do we got going on this morning? Durable goods, core capital equipment orders, advanced report on trade goods. So let's see what that data ends up being. 1 AUD NZD, you know you want it. You know you want it. Let's see. Toyota cuts July Japan output by 4,000 units. I'm waiting for the news to drop. We'll look at a couple setups once we run through my entire list. Let's see. June durable goods plus 1.9%, consensus negative 0.4%. X transportation 0.3% versus 0.5%. Durable good orders 0.4%. Let's see, non-defense capital goods. No, I don't care about that one. Hold on. Waiting to see what we got. Come on. I will say Zero Hedge tweets in a much easier way to read than Walter Bloomberg. Advanced goods trade balance negative 98.2 billion versus negative 1.3 billion expected. What else we got? One more. Just waiting for all this news to drop and then we'll get back to the charts. Apple, or not Apple. Walmart bear flag. Nice, nice. Markets will go up or down today. I have no clue. There's always one person that asks that, and I got no clue what the market's going to do today. All I can do is get levels and then trade off of that. Nice. Trading that ZOL USD, huh? Good stuff. Well, for my Forex traders, while we're waiting for the market to consume this data, GBP JPY looks fantastic. Squeeze, symmetrical triangle. If we can get that higher buy signal on the stochastic, I want to see this thing break out. I haven't traded GBP JPY in a fat minute, and yeah, I'm a little worried. We are not getting 1,000 basis points. They're pricing in 75 basis points. That's what's priced into the market. Let's actually see if they ended up moving. I don't know why everybody's saying 100. So many people are literally saying 100. And 73.9% of traders are expecting a 75 basis point hike. Honestly, that kind of lines up with what they're aiming for by the end of the year, which is going to be anywhere from 325 to 375. And even if we go all the way out to July, they're still basing that will be anywhere between 300 and 350. So It doesn't matter if you're a small account on Forex, every broker is going to be the same. So I would recommend Oanda, which is very easy to use. OANDA and then IG. Oanda you can connect to TradingView and then put your IG to MetaTrader 4. Alright, well, it looks like the market likes the data, so let's see what we can get. Alrighty, let's go back to the list. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. 190 people up in here, only 84 likes, 100 of you. Not click that like button. What is this? No, I didn't mean to click on SPX. My computer is gonna explode. There we go. So we got the 30-minute squeeze on SPY. We got the 4-hour squeeze on SPY. We are back above the moving averages on SPY. Of course. Capital gains. What? What do you mean do you get taxed on Forex trades? Of course. This is the United States. You get taxed on everything. But I will say I really, really like that 4-hour squeeze on SPY. If we hold those moving averages, we could fire up. So there's that. SQ, don't care about Tesla. We could, hold on. Actually, lines up right at that trend line. 797 or 796.30 could be pretty big on Tesla. I like that. Tesla. So we have, I only like 6 things today, so let's narrow it down to 4. Start by AMD. What do we like the best today? Amazon. Honestly, that Amazon, I like it to the downside. I'm really not interested in the upside on Amazon at all. Let's put this on the list in case they pull the market. So let's see, Amazon. $15.83. Yeah, literally the entire US economy, it is played against us. When it comes to taxes, everything is against us. You get taxed on everything. There's excess tax on almost everything, and it's super dumb. If you get more than $600 on Venmo, you have to pay tax, and that money's already been taxed. It's a ridiculous system. Why you gotta learn them tax laws? But personally, I like Amazon to the downside more than anything. So make sure I'm not missing anything. Come on, AUDNZ, keep it going. In one area right there. I think we're good for the downside, to be honest. I could be completely wrong. No, literally, I got taxed on every single dollar in my Venmo last year. Every single one. Part of Maryland. Let's see, Amazon. Looking for a break below 116.2 for puts. Price target equal. Yeah. Make a bunch of different Venmos. 115.3. 15.21. 14.54. Oh, trust me, I got screwed on taxes last year. Absolutely screwed. That's why I've been giving away so much money this year. Put me in a lower tax bracket, take it off of my taxes. Why not? Plus, it helps you guys out. Just gave somebody $250 the other day. Gonna give away another $250 probably today or tomorrow. Facts. Could just move to Puerto Rico and have no capital gains. That'd be something. Facts. Facts. Let's see. If market pumps, will look for upside. Yeah, I'm getting into Airbnbs next year. I got a fat amount of capital set to the side specifically for real estate. Let's see. Amazon, somebody said docu had a daily divergence. Daily squeeze divergent. I wouldn't say so. It broke that trend line. I mean, maybe, but it broke the trend line yesterday. Looks like that squeeze gonna try to fire down. Anyways, so there is Amazon. Futures don't know what the hell they want to do. So, let's see. Got Amazon on the list. Yep, and I got a business account. I will say that Microsoft looks very interesting. Apple, maybe. PayPal. That PayPal does look really good. I do giveaways on my Twitter all the time. So if you guys aren't following me on Twitter, make sure you are. Giving away so much money this year. I don't always post like who the winner is, but just know like I am DMing these people and literally giving them their money. The only reason that I said who the winner was the other day is because I had some weirdo in my DM saying, you don't want to actually give away money. I'm like, all right, bro, I'll show you one time real quick. And just, there's not really a reason to flex. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. But trust, money's being sent out. Let's see what this Tesla. There you go. There's the winner, Paul. He just won the other day. Enter the giveaway. You win, you win. So, let's see, we could watch a short level on Tesla. We can look at Shopify and Spotify real quick. Shopify got smoked. Spot. Is there liquidity in these? Pretty big move. Oh, trust me, I'm like super low key. Like there's times to flex, but the reason I don't have like bust down Rolexes or like all this fancy jewelry is, first off, literally live in Baltimore. Right outside of Baltimore. You don't do that unless one, you want attention, and two, you want somebody to come snatch it from you. Like, could I go buy one? Yes. Do I want to? Not really. First off, you know, bust downs to me, not a good investment. If I'm gonna buy a Rolex, it's gonna be like just a straight up normal Rolex. I buy a big old flashy chain, Sure, I have one, but I don't really wear it out. It's not like a huge diamond chain. It's just a little small one, and it goes under my shirt. Half the time, you can hardly see it. So, to me, that stuff doesn't matter at all. Whoever asked about Spotify, I ain't even interested. Oh yeah, you'll get robbed, no doubt. It's not important to me. I still wear Vans. Like, the nicest shoes I got, they're just, I got a few pairs of Yeezys. I think I'm gonna get some off-white Jordans just as like a good job to getting to 25K. That's the only reason I'm gonna get it. But other than that, I mean, yeah, I got a few expensive clothes, but it's not like I only wear designer. Say 90% of the time I'm wearing Gymshark. Let's go back to the top of the list. But yeah, to me, none of that stuff is important. Really, the whole reason why I'm doing all this is because my end goal is just to retire my dad. That's why I started doing everything. That's why I grind so hard every day. It's just because I want to retire my dad. So if I'm out there wasting money, buying bust downs, etc., stuff I don't need, then it's just taking me further away from my ultimate goal or the whole reason why I even started this journey. So yeah, I'm preserving capital, putting it into real estate, and just building more and more and more. That's my ultimate goal. It's not Microsoft. We already put Amazon out. What are Bricken stocks? Never heard of those. Soft Apple. I think we're gonna watch Apple to the upside if Microsoft can get that bump. Minus 60s. We're in a 60. I think if we can crack 153.50, it's gonna be pretty big. It all depends if we actually get up there. You know, it would be amazing if I was at John Carter's level one day. I don't think I will, but that'd be dope. We're above yesterday's high. Could come up there, 156.28. Daily. Could see some resistance at 153.78. Blue. 200 SMA, 158.69. Rhino was showing with me last night. I was doing some Forex and editing. Rhino was just straight chilling. About the Rhino 69 in the market, so I'll tell you that. Yeah, I think if Apple can get up there, we could see some nice moves. So actually smack that 50% to a T. Yeah, I'm interested in Apple. I want to see what can happen. I think if that 4-hour squeeze fires on SPY, we should see Apple go with it. So I'm gonna watch this to the upside. Yeah, make sure you guys clicking that like button. We got what is that? Almost 200 people up in here, and only 114 likes. You guys clicking that like button. Apple SPY is in a 4-hour squeeze. So if that fires up, should take Apple with it. Let's see. Looking above 153.45 for calls. Price target equal 153.78. 154.32. The stocks SPY and QQQ, they typically squeeze on the 5 and 10 minute going into FOMC. Come on, what are you doing? Come on, here we go. Looks like we're gonna take flag. So 155.04, 156.28. Market dumps. I will look for puts. All right, there's Apple. Again, I hate that it did that little wick. All right, so there's that. And then, real quick, in case you guys did not know, my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, has officially released. In case you guys been living under a rock and you didn't know that, this 483-page book basically goes through my entire trading strategy. So if you guys want to learn more about my overall successful day trading and swing trading strategies, where I go in depth about everything, that is going to be the link right there. So if you guys do want to pick yourself up a copy, make sure you use that link. Anyways, so let's go back to this. Interested in Apple, so we'll put that on the list real quick. Go back to PayPal. I mean, that PayPal is getting some strength. I don't know why. Like, was there PayPal news? Let me see. PayPal news. Elliott Management stake. Let's see. They do not know how big this stake is, but there is news behind it. So I'm going to set an alert right here. Create alert at or above. Then let's see, we're at PayPal right now. Honestly, Tesla. I think that Tesla could be interesting. It's just not, it's not an A+ setup for me. Look at the person's pivots. Maybe we'll put this on. Actually, there's a lot of influence in that area. Today's high 800. Yep, hardcover will be coming, don't you worry. I got a proper editor doing it this time. Paid that guy fat money. Let's see, Tesla. Yeah, there, 805. The SMAs, 100 SMA is at 825.82. 825.82. Keep clicking that like button. We're almost at 500, or not 500. Oh my god, 150 likes. I wish we were getting 500 likes, maybe one day. But we can watch Tesla both ways actually. Came actually right down to that monthly pivot yesterday. Smack that thing. All right, let's watch Tesla both ways. I'd prefer it to the upside. Tesla looking for the break above. Yep, I see swings in the Forex market, don't worry. Looking for the break above. Once we get more people actually trading Forex, I'll send out my day trading signals on Forex. Took one yesterday and took another one the day before. 69.29. Let's see, price target equal 800, 801.93, 805.15. After that, we got some room. We'll also watch puts. I put all my Forex signals in my swing trading channel. 788, 16. Also watch puts below. Awanda and IG. All right, so I only like 3 setups. I do really like that that SPY squeeze on the 4-hour. So let's see what we got so far. Hold on. We got Amazon puts. If the market pumps, I'll watch the calls, but I'm more interested to the downside. Might not be able to get it. Apple. See what we can get there. And then we have Tesla. Looks like the market's going up. Go to SPY with that nice, nasty 4-hour squeeze. That thing literally fell 4 pips from hitting my take profit. Are you kidding me? Anyways. Yeah, so I like the SPY squeeze. That's going to be the main thing I'm going to watch today. Again, that's a 4-hour squeeze. We got to watch the 4-hour time frame. I think if we can crack that pre-market high at, let's see, 395.42, that's when we can see a nice move to the upside. I know I clean this chart, but looks like we also cracked the trend line right here, and the post market came back, tested as support. And then yeah, so I only like 3 things. We need 8 more likes for 150. As far as the Forex platforms, IG and Owanda, that's all you need to use. Let's see. Joey, that's not the best plan, I would say. It works until it doesn't work, and that one time it doesn't work. Yeah, I'll be on voice for FOMC always. Yesterday there was some stupid stuff going outside, or stupid loud stuff going on outside, so I wasn't really able to unmute. It was super loud and it even irritated me. So, but yeah, we're there. All right, cool. So real quick, again, if you guys have not ordered my new trading ebook, make sure you guys do that if you want to learn more about my overall trading strategy. If you guys already got the book, shoot me a DM on Twitter or Instagram, letting me know so I can get you in the Discord server for the book. And then let me drop the watch list for you guys, because we're pretty much there at 150. Amazon, Apple, Tesla, and then that 4-hour squeeze on SPY. Again, everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. None of this is financial advice, so make sure you guys do your own due diligence, own proper risk management. Let's run it up today. Let's make some money. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-20 minutes. Other than that, everybody have an amazing day, and I'll talk to everybody tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time.